What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Joe here. Today we are going to go through the top 5 credit cards for home improvement purchases. I have a list put together after doing some research of cards that I have, ones that I don't have but I would like to get eventually, and overall my opinion on the best cards that are good for home improvement purchases. So before we get into it, please just hit the like button. Please subscribe to my channel for all things DIY, projects, and finance, and we'll get into it. I hope you enjoy. Alright, so the first card on the list is the Bank of America Customized Cash Rewards Card. This card is special in that it allows you to choose a category for an infinite amount of time for which you want to get 3% back. And just so happens one of the categories is home improvement. So you can get this card, select home improvement as a 3% category on which you're going to receive the cash back for, and use that for purchases at Lowe's, Home Depot, Floor & Decor, etc., any home improvement store. There's also 2% back at wholesale clubs with the Bank of America Customized Cash Rewards Card, and there's no annual fee. So all those things tied together make it a great card for home improvement purchases. That's number 1. Number 2 is the Lowe's Advantage Card. The Lowe's card offers 5% off store-wide, or if you spend more than $299, you have the option to get 6 months interest-free financing. So you can choose the 5% or you can choose the interest-free for 6 months. The choice is yours. There is a reduced APR for very large purchases over $2,000. So let's say you have a large project, you're doing a lot of home renovations, and you don't want to take out a loan from somewhere else. This card can help you achieve that goal. There's also no annual fee with the Lowe's card. So the Lowe's card can be pretty helpful as well. Moving on to card number 3, we have the Home Depot Consumer Credit Card. This card offers 6 months financing on purchases of $299 or more, and up to 24 months financing during special promotions. So there are cards that come in the mail, they're postcards, they have the promotion on them that say purchases up till this date you can receive 12 months, 24 months financing based on how much you spend. So there's that. There is also on the cards that come in the mail, the postcards, $25 off, $50 off, $100 off, etc. if you spend a certain amount during that time frame. So those promotions change. They usually show up in the mail every couple of months, but having the card so that you receive these perks in the mail is worth it. The Home Depot card does not have a fee, and there's also a 1-year return policy. So that's 4 times longer that you can hold on to an item that you purchase with the Home Depot credit card that you can return to the store for a full refund. All of those perks together make the Home Depot card a great pick for number 3. Card number 4 is the Amazon Prime Rewards Card. This card offers 5 times points at Amazon.com. It also gives you 2 times the points back for gas stations, restaurants, and drugstores. There is free shipping with the Prime membership, and having a Prime membership, that does have a cost associated with it, but when paired with the Amazon Rewards credit card, it can be a good combination to get things quickly. In the recent years, Amazon has been stocking up more on items for the home, such as faucets, bathroom accessories, other things as well that you would find in a home and would want to update and replace. So that card makes the list in spot number 4. Lastly, card number 5 is the Chase Freedom Flex. I have the Chase Freedom, which has a lot of the same bonuses and advantages. However, the Freedom Flex expanded upon that, so it got a little bit better. The Chase Freedom Flex card offers 5% cash back on rotating categories. Home improvement stores is currently the category for Q2 2021. And it will be something else in Q3 and Q4, but eventually I expect it to come back at some point to where we'll have the home improvement as the 5% category. On top of the 5% category, there's also 3% cash back on dining and drugstores. so that can be helpful as well, and there's also no annual fee. The Chase Ultimate Rewards cards are nice because you can move points from one credit account to another to redeem differently for travel, cashback, paying your bill, etc. So that is card number 5, and that concludes our list of the top 5 credit cards that I have chosen for home improvements. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more.